Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to unlock the hidden crab character in Crossy. It's one of the secret ones and the method is actually pretty fun. So the crab can't be unlocked from the prize machine. Instead you need to use any regular character. Then when you are playing, tap left and right repeatedly as you move across the road. When you play the Crossy, click left and right. The trick is to tap in a sideways crab-like motion while crossing. You will notice that after doing this for a while, the game will recognize the movement, and at the end of that run, you will unlock the crab as a new character. So remember, it's not about where you play, it's about how you move side to side like a crab. And that's how you unlock the crab in Crossy. Super simple once you know the trick. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more Crossy secrets, and let me know in the comment which hidden character you want me to next cover. And I'll see you in the next one.